Alright guys, so this is a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq, and today I am going to show you guys how to replace a fab battery. Stay tuned. Alright, so you can press this guy right here so we can pull the hard key out. There we go. And then you're gonna need a pocket screwdriver like this. Then you can pop this out right there. Super simple. Here it is. It is out now, and here is your battery. All right, so pull the battery out. There we go. And this is our new battery, which is CR2032. Remove it. Oh, this one is pretty secured. Oh, am I gonna need a scissor for this? Am I? Yeah, I need a scissor. There we go. I got a heavy duty one. Just cut this thing. There we go. Yep. And the battery is gonna go this way. And then all you have to do next is put this thing in, make sure it's all centered. There we go. And let's give it a shot. Hey, it does work. And don't forget about this. Oops. Oops. Why it doesn't want to go in? What? We are having some technical difficulties here. It's not going in. Oh, there you go. Hey, it's in now. All right. No more keyfob low battery reminder. Okay guys, that's it. Pretty simple. Have a great day. Bye.